हमारी जनता आपके समर्थन के लिए आभारी है. Ladies and gentlemen, in October last, Shri Modi ji and I jointly inaugurated the first phase of the iconic Metro Express project and a state-of-the-art ENT hospital, both of which have benefited from Indian funding. The inauguration of the new Supreme Court building marks another significant milestone in the modernization of our country's infrastructure. It is yet another achievement that has been possible thanks to the financial assistance from India. Indeed, the Government of India has provided a grant of $30 million for this project. The new Supreme Court building is equipped with all the modern amenities required for a smooth and effective delivery of justice in our country. This building is the result of the hard work and collaboration of many people, to whom I convey my expression of gratitude and appreciation. With its 12 floors, the new Supreme Court building will house under one roof the civil, criminal, commercial, family, and mediation courts, the Chief Justice's chambers and judges' chambers, as well as the administration staff. The synergies which will be created will undoubtedly improve court operations and service to court users. This modern infrastructure will enable our judiciary to take advantage of new technologies, to craft innovative and effective measures for making the justice system more efficient, more accessible, and more inclusive. Until now, due to limited space at the Supreme Court, judges had to wait for long periods of time for courtrooms to be free to hear cases. We had to invest in new facilities, and today, this brand new Supreme Court, standing majestically in our judicial landscape, is testimony to our bold response. We took up the challenge because our priorities are guided by the fundamental mission of establishing justice. Shri Modi ji, we know that you uphold the same values. In a speech you made at Prayagraj in March this year, you emphasized that your government's actions to ensure justice for all citizens embodies your philosophy of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, meaning together for everyone's growth with everyone's trust. Ladies and gentlemen, my government has chosen a focused path towards modernization, but we are at the same time conscious of the importance to preserve historic sites and heritage buildings. This is why the old buildings on the existing site of the Supreme Court will be preserved. These buildings, which date back to the French colonial times, will be renovated and will, in the future, house a separate court of appeal. We shall retain as much of the significant historical fabric as possible when carrying out the repair works. Ladies and gentlemen, today's event bears out the depth of our determination and commitment to our modernization endeavor for the well-being of our people. This is sacred for us, and I know, Shri Modi ji, that we both share this philosophy. Before concluding, I wish to once again thank you, Shri Modi ji, to grace us by your presence online and to share with us this momentous occasion. May the truth and justice always triumph in this new Supreme Court in the spirit of Satyamev Jayate, the Sanskrit mantra for truthfulness and national motto of India, which has been inspiring our people generation after generation. Long live the India-Mauritius relationship. Thank you for your kind attention. Dhanyavad.
Thank you very much, Honorable Prime Minister. Shri Narendra Modi ji, it is beyond the power of words to express our gratitude to you for so kindly accepting to participate in this inauguration ceremony. I have therefore the high privilege and honor of inviting you to gratify us with your statement. Thank you so much.
Prime Minister of the Republic of Mauritius, the Honorable Praveen Kumar Jugnauth ji, senior ministers and dignitaries of Mauritius, distinguished guests, Namaskar, Bonjour. My warm greetings to all of you. First of all, I congratulate the government and people of Mauritius for effective management of the COVID-19 global pandemic. I am happy that India was able to support this effort through timely supplies of medicines and sharing of experience. Friends, today we celebrate yet another landmark in the special friendship between India and Mauritius. The new Supreme Court building in Port Louis is a symbol of our cooperation and our shared values. Both India and Mauritius respect our independent judiciaries as important pillar of our democratic systems. This impressive new building, with its modern design and construction, is a mark of this respect. I am happy that this project has been completed on schedule and within the initial estimated costs. Prime Minister Jugnauth ji, only a few months back, we have jointly inaugurated the landmark metro project and a new state-of-the-art hospital. I am happy to know that both these projects are proving useful for the people of Mauritius. Friends, it was in Mauritius that I had first spoken about India's vision of Sagar, security and growth for all in the region. This is because Mauritius is at the heart of India's approach to the Indian Ocean region. And today, I want to add that Mauritius is also at the heart of India's approach to development partnerships. Friends, Mahatma Gandhi had rightly said, and I quote, "I do want to think in terms of the whole world. My patriotism includes the good of mankind in general. Therefore, my service of India includes the service of humanity." Unquote. This is India's guiding philosophy. India wants to develop and India wants to help others in their own development needs. Friends, India's approach to development is mainly human-centric.